Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for Tuesday, December 21st, 2021. The chart you look at here, that's the E-mini SP 500 for market contract, as you can see here. So yesterday, the market had continued to push it back down. They found a support to this area, used to be a strong buy zone. To come back, they retest and then they get rejected and continue to put it up to the upside. So as long as they still hold up above this level here, the market is still continue to put it up to the upside. So we have only 7 more days for the remaining of the year 2021. And usually at potential, the market will continue to put it back up based on the historical 30 for the Christmas rally or Santa Claus rally. Technically, it will happen after the Christmas day and continue to the first couple of days of the new year. So overall, if you look at the chart, I think that the market in the short term is still try to put it up to the upside, and the long term is still bullish. So right now, if you look at the SPY, okay, that's the spider of SP 500, you can see that on yesterday the market pulled back down. They retest that area here, they give you a hammer, and today they give you a strong bullish formation candle get out of this area here. So technically the market will try to continue to push it back up. They will come back and test the sell zone here. So let's see they can be able to continue and break through this level for the Christmas rally or Santa Claus rally, whatever you want to call. So the momentum is still strong. You look at which I'm going to show you a lot of sector, they are also trying to turn around also. If you look at the Nasdaq, it also found a support at this level and they bounce back up. They are a little bit behind compared to the SP 500, but tomorrow if they can continue to push it up and then break through this level, the bull will still continue. And look at the Dow, it also failed to break out the sell zone. They pull back, but they hold up at the buy zone. So now tomorrow is the key important here. If they continue to stay above this moving average, then it will continue to put it up to the upside again. The Russell 2000 is also trying to break out the buy zone here, and then today they get some strong momentum here. Again, if tomorrow they'll be able to put it back up, they still have a lot of work to punch to a bunch of moving average here, but as long as they can continue to push it back up, and then you know that the nature of the RTY Russell 2000 still ran by between this area and this area here. So let's see how far they can go from there. If you look at the crude oil it also tried to hold up to make it high and then high low here. So they need to get through that area here and continue to test the next level, 76 level there. Gold is still choppy. They put it up one day, and now today they slam it back down again. So they are still in the rainbow of the this parallel channel here. If you look at the Bitcoin is trying to find a support in the buy zone right now. If they can continue to get up momentum, they will find a way to push it back up, as well as the Ethereum also try to make here. If they can clear that level here, they will find a way to push it up again. So if you look at the volatility, and today, yesterday they pushed it back up, but today they slam it down again. So as long as they stay calm here, the market will still have a chance to move up to the upside. Okay, so now let's take a look on the 11th sector of the SP 500. We can see it clearly that they, first of all, the material sector it also found a support and bounced back up. So they gap up. So let's see tomorrow they can gap up and continue to go to close this gap right there. Okay, the communication service sector it also found a support, retest the buy zone and get out here. So the momentum is trying to turn positive. If they can clear this area here, they will continue to go back to test to the next level there also. That will have a lot of software communication service also. They are bid up very high here from the top down to this level here. Energy sector also found a support and now they gave up. So but they are still below the downtrend line. So, but in the short term, they also try to rebound to the upside also. The financial sector also found a support at this level and try to rebound back up. In order for them to break through this level, they will take a couple more days so that they can give you more clear direction and they be able to come back. But in the short term, all of them are trying to rebound in the short term right now. The industrial it also found a support retest by dawn and gave it back up. So if they continue to go up, they will have a couple more days go to the Christmas, and then they will be able to pump it up also. Technology stock is found strong support at this level here, and how they strong bound today to the upside. So it seems like momentum is still there. If they can continue, we will see they also turn around also. The consumer table, they have a good home run here, but after that, because this is the defense sector, so when the market is getting weak, the stock will pump up very fast. But now they try to rotate to the other sector, so people took profit after the big home run there. The real estate sector also goes sideways here after they run up here, but momentum is still in the uptrend. The energy sector, it get hit because the also another defense sector right there. The healthcare sector is also choppy back and forward here, but the momentum is still in the uptrend. Another one is the consumer discretionary. They also found a support level, they gave up. So in the short term, they also try to rebound. So if all of the sector they try to rebound, bottom out in the short term, so the market will they will push up the market to make it the last 7 day trading here to the upside. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the three Christmas rally stock that I see that they have a potential to push it back up. So take a look and put into your watch list and monitor to see how they're doing. But by the way, on the weekend, I give you the potential rebound stock, okay, at the ALNY. On this sector, they are still doing pretty well there. Next one is FATE. They will continue to put it up to the upside. So the three new stocks that I'm going to show you, let's see how they're doing. Okay, first one is the AYI. Okay, so this one here, they pulled back, found a support. Now they try to run it up. Okay, so they still have room to continue to put it up there. Next one is the EW, which is the Edwards Life Science. This stock is ready to break out another strong formation over here. Okay, so if they can punch to this level, they hold up, they will continue to move to the upside. And the next one is the GDE. Okay, so this let me see here, GDEN. Okay, GDEN. Right, so this one is Golden Entertainment. They also found a support in the triangle formation here, so they have room. They will get back to test the upper bound again. Okay, so those are three stocks that I would like to show you so that you can monitor it and see how they lay out in the next couple of days. That will be a good profit for the Christmas there. Okay, so beside these stocks, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick and analyze daily in detail with the entry target depending on the market conditions so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis, so please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for your watching and good luck in your trading. I will see you in one more day this week before Christmas. Alright, so thank you very much, and I will see you from the other side. Take care, everyone.